This is the saga of a vision that goes way back to 1968, when a spirited individual, K.N. Reddy, set forth with a mission to strengthen the infrastructure framework of the nation. K&R Constructions Limited. The road ahead to that dream was full of constraints and pitfalls, but for K.N. Reddy, it was a challenge well taken. K&R Constructions Limited was incorporated in 1995 and engaged in the business of undertaking civil and mechanical contracts work. From then on, there was no looking back. An infrastructure project development company with execution strengths mainly in road transportation, engineering projects, highways, flyovers and bridges has taken off. A dream was being rolled out in concrete and asphalt. One milestone stretched out into the horizon after another. Each a project built out of a labor of experience, precision and steadfastness to duty. With each passing year, K&R Construction continued to consolidate its register of projects and clients, using the latest of machineries and technologies, ensuring that the roads they built were abundantly capable of withstanding the vagaries of load, time and the weather gods. Roads that have required meticulous planning at every stage, beginning with the tender filing stage itself and moving on to successful completion. Encouragement for mandate well executed have come fast and thick for KNRCL. We have been consistently given the mandate to widen the very roads we have built, from single to 2, 4 and now 6 lanes as well. KNRCL has further diversified into other infrastructure segments like irrigation, water supply and urban infrastructure management. Quality constructions built by seasoned professionals working on a quality platform, and culture that flows from the top down to the rank and file of a committed workforce. KNRCL has a workforce of over 700 personnel, including over 100 qualified engineers, who bring their combined experience and expertise to the table and on site. As an ISO 9001 company, K&R Constructions Limited has the technical competence to maintain its large fleet of machineries in fighting fit condition. The effort is ongoing to improve productivity at all levels through strategic cost control measures. KNRCL has on hand an estimated unexecuted order book position of 25 projects valued at 17,338.25 million rupees as of November 30th, 2007. This is virtually 5.4 times of the operating income of financial year 2006-2007 on consolidated basis. KNRCL now intends to achieve its growth objectives of maintaining performance and competitiveness of existing business, especially in the light of huge investments expected to be made in infrastructure development in segments where it presently operates. In addition, KNRCL expects to enhance its focus on BOT-based infrastructure projects, in irrigation, water supply and management projects, and those projects involving higher degree of engineering skills. K&R Constructions Limited, a tradition of innovation and success.